Huskee log splitter 22-ton broken coupler between motor and pump, hard to replace, and what is part number? Thanks.
Hello. My name is XXXXX I am going to assist you with this. There are actually 3 parts to the coupler: an engine side jaw, a pump side jaw, and a rubber coupler. The engine side jaw is part number 4000838L0. The pump side jaw is part number 4000833L0. The rubber coupler is part number 4000834L0. Both jaws are held onto their respective shafts with set screws, but the rubber coupler is held in by friction only. In theory, it should be very easy to change the coupler. Just unbolt either the engine or the pump and pull them far enough apart to disengage the 2 jaws from each other, about an inch. This will allow access to remove the rubber coupler. If one or both jaws is also broke, the set screw can be removed to allow that jaw to be removed from the shaft. But in reality, everything can go wrong. The set screws may not want to come out, the jaws may not come off the shaft easily, etc. I have seen more than one that had to go to a machinist to get the set screw out, or get the jaw pulled off.
Hank, could it be that all that has to be replaced is the rubber coupler?
Yes, it is possible. You will just need to open it up and see what is actually broken.
Everything came apart with no trouble, all 3 parts in pieces. Guess I hit a large knot in the birch. Got the parts that I needed at Tractor Supply. Thanks again, Mark.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.